Time to musk up.
Wow. You may be asking yourself, why do I have this? Let's just talk about it quick and why I got it. All right, so we can see suggested retail at the time was $93. This is a gift set, which is in immaculate condition. I took the bottle out already because it's hard to take out, so I figured I'd take it out now. But as you can see, well, you can tell what it is now because of the shape of the bottle. But it comes with this faux leather card holder. And in all honesty, I mean, it's cool. I guess it's a nice little bonus to get you to buy it. This thing is made in China, not real leather. So you can see how it's folded, but it's all right. And in all honesty, card holders are kind of like really 2010. I remember like wallets are like a 90s thing. Like, I mean, I have card holders and wallets and I don't even use them anymore. How old they are and how annoying it's just having these in your pocket, especially once they get filled up. Nowadays, people just have this in their wallet. I guess it's for nostalgia. I guess it's a cool little bonus, little Giorgio Armani. But yeah. So, Armani Code, the original EDT. Although the original was actually, when it first came out, was called Black Code. Now, if you look, this is an older bottle. Now there's a cummerbund, the thing that goes around your waist when you wear a tuxedo. The newer bottles have that design going around the top. The cap is kind of like this glossy black, and this is more matte. So usually presentations get cheaper, but in this case it actually got better because I do like the newer presentation more. But the fragrance is not really the same like it used to be, which is why I got this one in the 2014 batch, which is what it comes back to on Check Fresh. The reason why I got this set instead of just getting the bottle, because there is some stock photos that show this, but I don't think people on eBay are familiar with the differences, and they might send you a newer bottle. And also, when you have a fragrance that is a bestseller, counterfeiters start making them. So I was kind of scared to buy a bottle, but with a gift set, you know they're not counterfeiting gift sets. I know you can probably take the bottle out and put a fake one in, but I don't think people are gonna go out of their way to do all that. I'm pretty certain that this is a real bottle from 2014. The older batches, if you look on Fragrantica, there's a little article, and I would agree with the person that wrote it, that said it is more almost Sauvage Bleu de Chanel leaning, that lavender body wash smell, blue fragrance smell, while this one kind of has the spicy qualities to it with the anise. I still get that lavender powdery body wash kind of smell here, but there is some spice. Get some leather in here. I also get some tonka bean, which is adding a little bit of nuttiness to it in the dry down. Definitely some cedar, definitely woody. Like I said, leathery, spicy. This stuff just brings back nostalgia to 2004, at the time when I was still in high school. Brings back memories. This is nothing special, right? This is just spray and go, nothing to think about. But the main reason why I did buy this is because if you look, this fragrance has been changed. It's now in the newer bottles. The bottle that Armani Code Parfum came in is now in that bottle, the EDT, and the formula has been changed. The fragrance is different, and I'm guessing that I looked on eBay and bottles started flying off the shelves. I'm guessing it's gonna keep happening until all these bottles dry up, especially the older ones. And so I got this at like a steal pretty much. I have a feeling I'll be able to make some money on this probably in like 6 to 8 months when all these bottles dry up. And the fragrance bros will be looking for this stuff, the old stuff, the good stuff, as they say. Yeah, that's a little haul. I mean, if you're familiar with my taste, this is probably strange to see, but sometimes you gotta switch it up, right? I don't know if I really like this bottle. Although this is pretty good because the taller the bottle, the less real estate it takes up on a shelf. I guess as far as that, it's okay, but you know, it is what it is. You know, if you've ever owned Armani Code and if you have any memories while wearing it. Take care, bye.